What if machines could see the world using light? LiDAR, short for light detection and ranging, measures distance using laser pulses. Each pulse reflects off objects and returns to the sensor, allowing distance to be calculated with high accuracy. A scanning system sweeps these pulses across the scene, capturing millions of measurements per second to build a dense, high-resolution 3D map. Because it uses its own light, LiDAR works independently of ambient lighting, delivering reliable perception day and night. Now, let's see it in real-life scenarios. Here you see a live 3D scene captured right in our own backyard. The LiDAR itself is completely fixed. What you're seeing is the perspective of the data changing, revealing motion and depth in rich detail. This same LiDAR technology is now being applied to perimeter intrusion detection. This is a LiDAR-PTZ fusion system designed for perimeter intrusion detection. The 3D point cloud provides centimeter-level geofencing accuracy. Red boxes indicate breached virtual fences. Green zones indicate clear monitored areas. When a vehicle or person enters the scene, the LiDAR detects and tracks it instantly. The PTZ camera automatically zooms in to follow the target in real time. In cluttered environments, the system reliably distinguishes humans from vegetation, eliminating false alarms. Path vectors clearly show where each intruder walked, enabling forensic tracking. Even in total darkness, the LiDAR continues to function flawlessly, while thermal cameras ensure visual confirmation. And because the system requires fewer devices and no radar-to-camera calibration, it reduces total system cost and complexity. It seamlessly connects to any video management system, integrating into your existing infrastructure. The system can set virtual fences for both security and safety, differentiating between authorized free movement areas and restricted clear zones, ensuring that any unauthorized entry triggers an immediate, high-certainty alert. The system also performs simultaneous multi-target tracking, maintaining high-resolution separation between multiple objects in the same frame. Each target is assigned a unique, color-coded path for real-time movement analysis, ensuring continuous visualization, even in crowded or complex scenarios. The system accurately detects suspicious objects and maintains a persistent lock on their static location while tracking the trajectory of the individual, leaving them behind. This demonstration shows how the system detects and tracks human movement in complex terrain using LiDAR and camera fusion. Even small signatures can be detected, such as a crouched walk with minimal radar visibility, while maintaining stable tracking despite the low profile. In this example, an individual moves away from the camera, gradually becoming obscured by trees and vegetation. Even as visibility decreases, tracking remains stable, with LiDAR maintaining the track through foliage and partial obstructions. The individual moves in a crouched posture through a shadowed area, intermittently obscured by trees and vegetation. Despite reduced visibility and partial occlusion, tracking remains stable, with LiDAR maintaining the track throughout. Here, two individuals move side by side across the scene, maintaining a constant distance from the sensor. As they progress, the terrain gradually obscures them until only head and shoulder targets remain visible. Tracking continues despite limited visibility, with track continuity maintained as long as movement remains within line of sight. The system combines LiDAR and camera data through fusion to determine when to trigger an alert, increasing confidence in real targets while reducing false alarms. The two individuals are now separated across the scene. The system tracks multiple targets independently, even when widely dispersed, seamlessly switching focus between them. LiDAR provides precise 3D positioning and movement history for each target, enabling reliable alert generation for the command and control system. To learn more about our perimeter intrusion detection system, contact us at sales@innoviz-tech.com.